All right, we're starting off with 1 pound of our bow tie pasta. Next, I'm coming in with 1 pound of ground beef that I cooked up, and we're just sprinkling that right on top of our uncooked pasta. Go ahead and spread that out as well. Next, I'm coming in with some diced white onion, and I'm gonna use about half of this container because we don't need too much, but just the perfect amount of kick. Now for our secret ingredient, I have this Manwich Original Sloppy Joe sauce, and this is the 24-ounce can. And we're gonna just pour that right on top of our pasta, our ground beef, our onions. This is gonna be such a fun take on a one-pan pasta dish. I absolutely love this dinner. It's so quick, so easy, and it tastes incredible. All right, we use that whole can. Now for some extra delicious flavor, I have a can of diced tomatoes, and we're gonna keep those juices with our tomatoes because that juice will help cook up that pasta. Oh my, oh my. Perfect. Now, I personally love corn with sloppy joes, so I'm gonna add a bag of corn right into our 13 by 9. Ooh, get a little bit of veggies in there. That's perfect. Next, I'm just gonna season this up super quick. I'm gonna start off with some black pepper. You can season this however you like. I'm just using my go-tos that I always use. I should probably, combine them together so I could just use them all at once, but you guys are gonna have to deal with me. And I'm gonna add some sea salt. I did not season my ground beef, so this also is adding some seasoning and flavor to our ground beef. Lastly, I'm gonna do some onion powder. Now you could add some garlic powder if you want, but I think I'm gonna skip out on it this time because we have those delicious onion flavors that I wanna focus on. Beautiful. All right, now I have here some medium cheddar cheese. It's the Tillamook, and this is an 8-ounce bag, and we're gonna put that whole thing right on top. Okay, this is getting pretty stuffed and puffed. To finish this off, I'm gonna grab my chicken broth, and I'm doing the lower sodium, and we're gonna add 2.5 cups. So I have my 2-cup measuring cup, so we'll do 2 cups first. Right into our measuring cup. You could do a beef broth with this as well, but the recipe calls for chicken, so that's what we're doing. I'm just gonna pour that on the sides because we really wanna get it to the pasta, and then I have to measure out that 1/2 cup to add to it as well. Super important that your pasta gets covered in our liquid. All right, this last little 1/2 cup in there. Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna give this a nice little mix and get everything well incorporated. Be careful, this is stuffed with all of that goodness. The sloppy joe mix, the ground beef, the bow tie pasta, the cheddar cheese, the corn. Oh my goodness, these flavors are gonna rock your world. You've never had pasta like this before, and it is game changing. I personally love sloppy joes, so version of sloppy joes is one of my favorites. You can even do like a protein pasta if you wanted it to make it a little bit, less carb heavy, but I love those little bow tie pasta. It is my favorite shape of pasta. So once we get this nicely mixed, and then we kind of just want to flatten it out, looks perfect. And the last thing we're going to do before putting it in the oven is seal it with some foil. This will help cook that pasta as well. All right, and just get that nice and sealed up. Now my oven is set to 350, and this is going to be in there for 50 minutes. All right. So this was in there for 50 minutes, and now we're gonna go ahead and take off the foil. Oh, that looks absolutely incredible. Before we serve this up, we're gonna give it another mix. Oh, it looks so good. That pasta is perfectly cooked. Smells good, looks good. We got a little bit of that cheese action going on. Oh my, oh my. Mixing it will kind of help thicken up that sauce we got in there. We did get a little bit of extra liquid from the chicken broth and the frozen corn, but this is gonna be absolutely delicious. All right, time to serve our sloppy joe pasta. This smells So good. Good bite.